Would you mind sharing with us the 3 biggest mistakes that you personally made?
Answering this question is number 1. 3 biggest mistakes. 1, not buying and holding enough real estate. If you really want the one most important thing you could ever do as a real estate investor is it's buy. So that means rentals that generate a cash flow.
Right.
There's more to that, but basically accumulate.
Sure.
The wealthiest people I personally know, and they are wealthy.
Yes.
They own a lot of real estate. So number 1, I never bought and kept enough properties.
Okay.
Number 2, people. Learning to get rid of the people, not just in business, but in your life. If they're not supportive, if they're not improving the quality of your life, if they're not part of your game plan, your bigger picture, anyone that interferes with your purpose in life, replace them with someone that's supportive, that's, a team player in all areas of your life.
Yeah, that's a great rule of thumb.
I'd say 3rd is going through life sometimes afraid and having a foot on the brake. It took me a while to get to a point where I was confident enough to just trust myself.
Your instinct.
And people say, follow your gut. But then gut stands for gave up thinking. So, but
I never thought about it like that.
Yeah, it's having the confidence. Again, I think I've referenced this in another video. The book Fail Forward. I don't remember who the author is, but it's a wonderful book. Take the chance. I would rather make mistakes and look foolish and be in the game than watch the game pass by. My grandfather always said and this is going to sound harsh, but my grandfather always said there's 3 types of people. There's people that make things happen, there's people that watch things happen, and there's people that don't know a goddamn thing's happening. And I just always wanted to be in that category of making things happen.
You don't want to be the 3rd.
And the last one, while I'm on a roll, bleeding myself, the last one was getting out of the bread and butter homes and getting into luxury homes. Yeah, I took a huge hit on a very, very expensive luxury home. And it's the time, and if something goes wrong, and in real estate, stuff can go wrong.
Sure.
It's a big go wrong when the numbers are $5 million versus $500,000. So I would say keep it really simple. Get in, get out, get paid as quickly as possible.
Okay.
Those are probably the 4 mistakes I've made.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. We can all learn by your mistakes, can't we?